What's up everyone, my name is Daksh and today we are starting our YouTube channel. Here on this channel we are gonna talk about men's hairstyling, fashion and many more. If you found it useful, you can hit the subscribe button below and join our YouTube family. This is my natural hair, it grows from left to right, it is pretty much short. And today I'm going to show you the messy forward quiff. For that I will show you some hair measurements. In the fringe area it has to be near your eyebrows. In the back it has to be short. The sides have to be trimmed so that your face looks much slimmer. So now I will go and shampoo my hair and make it damp. Hello guys, we are back with the damp hair. Now I'm going to use the hair serum from Mama Earth as a pre-styler. Now blow dry my hair on the warm heat. So now we will use a cold shot air button. As you can see guys, this is pretty much done here. Just putting it. Now I'm going to use my post styler. Now we're going to just scoop it out. As I have pretty much short hair, so I'm not going to use much product. Now the last step is to emulsify it. As you can see, it is start applying it from the back so that you don't end up loading up in the front area. This is a messy look. You can even use a comb if you want a cleaner look. Now you just make it messy again. So as you can see, we are done. All you guys can see that we have reached our final result. It has a lot of texture, as you can see it. So if you learned something new today, you can hit the subscribe button below and help us grow by liking and sharing this video as much as you can.